In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find a book at the Mo'okini Library's online resources. The first thing to do is to come to the library site at hilo.hawaii.edu/library. Once you're there, you will scroll down the site until you get to the sign-in pages for UH Hilo and Hawaii Community College. I am a Hawaii Community College faculty. Most of you are probably HCC students, so you will choose this link on the right to enter to the resources of the library. Hawaii Community College access to Mo'okini Library is divided up by which campus you're from. If you're from the Manono campus in Hilo, you will click on this link here. If you are from the Palamanui campus in Kona, you will click on the link on the right. Clicking on that link brings you to the portals for access to everything that the library has that is accessible online. If you're looking for a book, you are going to come in through the LibCat link. This brings you to the library search engine. You will type in your search criteria here in the bar. In this case, for the assignment you're doing for my class, you are asked to find 2 books on Hawaiian species. You can either type in the words Hawaiian species, or you can pick a particular species that you're interested in. I'm going to look up something about Hawaiian ferns. And I'm going to look them up in physical items. And this brings me to a page with a list of all of the books that and resources that LibCat searches that are about Hawaiian ferns. You can see here that there are 146 resources on Hawaiian ferns. For the assignment for this class, you have to have a book. So you can come over here to the left-hand menu and you can refine your search just to look for books on Hawaiian ferns. Now you have a listing of all of the Mo'okini resources, Mo'okini Library resources that are books that are about Hawaiian ferns. You can see that there are 103 books about Hawaiian ferns in the Mo'okini Library. To get the information you need to put into a bibliography and cite the source, you will click on the title of the book. This brings you to the page that has all of the information about this book and things that you can do with it. You can send information to yourself via email or text. You can figure out how to get it in the library. You can find out more about it. For this assignment, what you want to do is you want to pick up the citation for the book. So click here on citation. For this assignment, you can use any citation style you want as long as it has all of the information needed and as long as you use the same citation style for all 7 resources in your bibliography. For books at Mo'okini Library, you have the option of MLA, APA, Chicago, Harvard, and an 8th edition of the MLA. The one that is bold is the one that is showing here in this box. I'll go ahead and choose APA. It will load into the box. I can copy it to the clipboard, and then once I have done that, I can paste it into the word processing document in which I am making my bibliography. I will, when I have finished pasting all 7 sources in there, I will alphabetize it, save it, and submit it via Laulima.